Drink your rum, but don't drink and drive. Drink your rum. Drink your rum, but don't drink and drive. Drink your rum. Lord, I got to be psychic. That got to be Lottie. Woman, I tell you stop rubbing down my curb.
Is that curb yours?
Where you know come from drinking? Cause I know you loves your wine.
I beg your pardon. If you must know, I went to lunch with the girls. I only had 2 glasses of wine.
Lottie, that would got to be 2 big glasses. If you ever cause a serious injury on the road and the police stop you and they suspect that you've been drinking, you might be subjected to a breathalyser test.
Breathalyser testing is not being done yet.
Oh, yes it is. And if you are found guilty of an offence, for the first conviction, you are liable on a summary conviction to be fined $5,000 or 2 years imprisonment or both. And very well, you could get your license take away too for 12 months.
Me lose my license? Girlfriend, I gotta get around. Besides, I would refuse to take the test.
I would not do that if I were you.
Cause you never had no gumption.
Listen, a person who fails to provide a specimen of breath by blowing in the breathalyzer when asked by a police officer in uniform can be found guilty of an offence and is liable on summary conviction to a fine of $1,000 or 6 months in prison or both. And listen, the police could arrest you without a warrant too.
You sound like a law book.
Breathalyzer testing is the law.
Well, Miss Know-It-All, how much is too much?
Now, Lottie, for the general rule of thumb is, right, it takes 3 drinks per hour for a woman to reach that 0.08 blood alcohol content, which is a BAC. For a man, it is 4 drinks per hour, right? And they got other guidelines that they could use, you know. Take for instance your weight. Now, if you're 140 pounds, it would take you 4 drinks per hour to reach that 0.08 blood alcohol content. If you're 180 pounds, it is 5 drinks. And if you're 220 pounds, it would take you 6 drinks per hour to reach that 0.08 blood alcohol content. And to be besides, people like to mix the drinks too, so that might even push you over the limit.
That limit is too low, Bernie. It should be higher.
Oh no, not at all. It shouldn't be higher. And it is the same thing in Jamaica and Trinidad.
How is it you know so much?
Lottie, I never tell you, you know. I lose a loved one on the road through this drinking and driving thing, you know.
Oh, sorry. I didn't know. I'm sorry. Oh, dear, I didn't know. I'm sorry, Bernie.
Anyhow, you see you're in a condition to drive the way. Get out. Let me drive you home. Come. Undo the seat belt. Come. Look at you sweet enough.
Don't look up my car here.
Please. And to be besides, you know it's a better driver than you. Come. Sit down.
Okay, just check.
Put on that seat belt for me, please. George, I'm coming back there.